That's awesome. Nice copper armature. Welcome back to Nice Junk. And today we got this 1992 TriStar vacuum cleaner. And the guy that dropped it off said it still runs, but he cut the cord. And I don't understand why you cut the cord off a vacuum cleaner that still runs. Especially when back in 1992, some guy in a suit would have been sitting at your kitchen table and trying to get you to pay $3,000 for one of these. Yeah, $3,000. Can you imagine? That was more than my first truck. Anyways, we're gonna see what's inside. This case is all aluminum. So, does it have copper in it as well? Let's find out. Cut the cord off with the other cord. The original cord was already cut off. Brass in that plug. If you're a micro scrapper, which we all know that I'm not. Ooh. Look at that. Fancy. Nice bag with a vegetable bag inside. We can put that in the garbage. Just so you guys can see. That feels like plastic. Okay. Now we're going to turn around and see if we can punch that pin out. Like that. Why? I don't understand. Oh, that's the on-off switch. Okay. That's... Don't forget to support the channel by going to NiceJunk.ca and getting you some of that good quality merchandise. Definitely tin, shred. Here is a on-off button. Come on. Oh. Some kind of a filter. Let's get this one off too while we're at it. So she was built at Anaheim, California. TriStar cleaner, 7.8 amps with turbo brush, 10.5 ball bearing motor, no lubrication needed. Come on. Come on. Maybe a little impact action. That worked. Another cord. That definitely feels steel. Yeah. So I looked this up before I took it apart on eBay. A good working one now only goes for $100. And so there's quite a few on there. Not a lot of recent sales. So I figured, let's just see what a $3,000 vacuum cleaner's made all about. A little bit more electrical. Nice piece of cast aluminum Spaceship. Nice rubber bumper in the garbage. Let's see. Let's take a look. And she's a copper motor. This is plastic. Let's take a look. I'm sure that's how they did that in the service manual, eh? Take that off. Ooh, this one's really heavy. Come on. Another piece of shred. And a piece of clean cast aluminum. Now we're going to disassemble this motor, see what we can get out of it. Oh yes. I like to keep these switches for projects around the shop. So I'm going to keep that with the lock and nut. They come in handy. This one was made in Mexico. We'll just cut these off. That goes in the shred. Shred. Okay. There's some brass in there. I may or may not take it apart. I won't take it apart for you guys, but just so you know that if you like micro scrap and there's a little bit of brass, more wire, 2 1/4-inch bolts. More tin. That's awesome. Nice copper armature. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut on both sides. It's the easiest way to get them out. Nice piece of cast aluminum, die cast. My yard takes it the same, but this armature, I personally, there's not a lot of copper on there. I would just throw that with your motors. Armature this size, it's just not a battle worth battling. But that's up to you. To me, it needs to make sense, and the juice just isn't worth the squeeze when it comes to these small armatures. So we've got the tin shred, we've got a little bit of electrical wire, we've got a nice switch for a future project. We've got this armature that we're going to sell as copper bearing motors, and it's 14.9 ounces, so almost a pound. We have, I think, the star of the show, the cast aluminum at 7 pounds, 1.2 ounces. Let's zero that out. And 7.4 ounces of copper. So there you go, the $3,000 door-to-door dream. Was this vacuum cleaner worth $3,000 in 1992? Probably not. Is it worth it for me to have enough aluminum to make a fleet of aluminum cans and a nice bit of copper? For sure. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Go over to NiceJunk.ca or our eBay store. Links in the description. Get yourself some of that good quality merchandise. Next week, we're coming out with another t-shirt. Tomorrow is the last day for the NiceJunk 15 coupon code. Anyways, we'll see you all next week. And that was some nice junk.
Forged in fire, cut to the core. Hidden copper, always worth more. Grind it down, weigh every chunk. Scrap it clean, that's some nice junk.